Mayor de Blasio says the city is going to run out of vaccine by Thursday, and there is no word on when more doses will actually be delivered.
Instead of ramping up appointments, locations are now ramping up cancellations. CBS 2's Lisa Rozner on the west side with more on this. Lisa?
Christina Maurice, that's right. Mount Sinai Health System here is one of several that had to cancel appointments this week.
Got a call this morning. You're canceled. Very sorry, but we don't have the vaccine.
It's the disappointing call Gloria Hacken and so many others received Tuesday. How did that make you feel?
Terrible. You know, I have had some issues, some respiratory issues.
Hacken was scheduled to get vaccinated Wednesday at the New York Community Hospital in Midwood. President Barry Stern says 2/3 of patients there have COVID. But 3 months of appointments were canceled after the city told him it hasn't received enough doses from the feds for widespread distribution.
We actually placed the order last week for an additional batch of the vaccine. And people are angry and upset and very concerned.
Tuesday, Mayor de Blasio said more than 220,000 vaccines had been distributed. On average, every 3 seconds a New Yorker was getting vaccinated, and the city could vaccinate 300,000 New Yorkers this week. But
this Thursday, 2 days from now, and we will have literally nothing left to give as of Friday. Right now, it is up to the federal government, it's up to the state, it's up to the manufacturers.
Governor Cuomo says the state has administered nearly 80% of doses, even though a U.S. Department of Health and Human Services rep claims that number is closer to 54%. Governor Cuomo says he now wants to buy the vaccine directly from Pfizer, but that agreement would need HHS approval. Tuesday, Rockland County Executive Ed Day sent a letter to the company asking that any sale include a provision which guarantees the distribution of vaccine directly to Pfizer's home county of Rockland. The mayor seems optimistic the president-elect will approve more doses for New York. Brooklyn Councilman Chaim Deutsch asked for immediate action from Senator Schumer.
The demand is just unbelievable.
And the bottom line is New York is a disaster. They've got to get together and make definite plans.
And Pfizer needs the federal government's approval in order to sell to New York. Meantime, Senator Schumer says he already secured $1.6 billion to get the vaccine here, and he hopes to get more money under the next president. On the west side, Lisa Rozner, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Lisa, thank you, and stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage on the vaccine supply. We have more information on our website, as well as links to make an appointment for a vaccine in the tri-state area. It's all there for you at cbsnewyork.com.